Good day, traders. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a demo account using our trusted PU Prime brokers. So first thing is you need to log in your credentials on the PU Prime portal. After that, you could see in this left corner, we have the accounts icon. Click the account, and then in the upper right corner, we could clearly see a open account. All right, so click the open account. We have live account and demo account. So choose demo account for practice and recommended MetaTrader 5. Okay. Standard. Okay. In the currency, you could either choose JPY if you're in Japan, but for now, we could use USD and select your account balance. Say for example, 100K. So after you submit it, um, you could go to your Gmail and the PO Prime will send you your demo accounts. Okay, for example, this is your login details and your password. All right. So after that, go to um, where was it? All right. So go to your MetaTrader 5. If you are using your mobile phones, you could click the application, or if you're using the web, you could log in your credentials here. All right, so log in your um login accounts, log in your password, and then click finish. All right. So example is we have this one. Copy that one. That's it. All right. Password. Password. This one. All right. So make sure that in the server, PO Prime demo is chosen. All right. So we have PO Prime live. Choose PO Prime demo and click finish. All right. So that is how to set up your demo accounts on PO Prime.